First impressions matter. That's why you have to get your PowerPoint title slide right. You need to capture attention, and you can do that with unforgettable style. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to make a great PowerPoint presentation cover slide quickly. The best way to begin is with a premium PowerPoint template from Envato Elements. Elements is a resource for creatives that comes with a powerful offer: unlimited downloads. That's right, for a flat rate, you can download as many PowerPoint templates as you want. Plus, Elements has custom fonts, stock photos, music, and more. In this tutorial, we'll be using the B PowerPoint presentation template from Elements. This one comes with a beautiful title slide and over 100 others to build a compelling presentation. With the template open in PowerPoint, we'll jump to the first slide here. Now, keep in mind that any slide can be a title slide. All you'd have to do is drag a slide thumbnail up to the top of your list of slides here in the sidebar. But before you make any changes, you need to think about your objective. What are you trying to do with a title slide? Distract and confuse, or capture attention with an eye-catching, sleek, and easy-to-read opener? Of course, you want to do the latter, and this first slide fits the bill. Notice the sharp, bold text on the left. It's clearly readable. And on the right, you can see an image placeholder that takes up the other half of the slide. This one is the perfect mix of text and image, and it's presented in a clean, uncluttered way. Words are important, and you need to make an impact. A lengthy, detailed title doesn't help you. The first word needs to count. Keep that in mind as you click into the first text box and select the text inside. Begin by starting to type on your keyboard and watch as the placeholder text disappears. Repeat this same step for the remaining text boxes. Again, keep in mind that you need to keep things engaging from the start. Flashing forward here, you can see the impact of a strong title for your first slide. A presentation like B comes with its own custom fonts, but you can add your own. This is a quick way to make your title slide even more memorable. And remember, Envato Elements includes a full library of custom fonts. As a member, you can download as many of them as you want. Back on the slide, let's add an image now. Remember, this photo is going to be the first thing that audiences look at. Pictures have a way of grabbing attention that words simply can't match, so choose wisely. If you need help finding the perfect photo, Elements is your friend again. As you can see here, the Elements library includes millions of beautiful stock photos. These are the perfect companions to your PowerPoint title slide. To add the photo, simply drag and drop it over the image placeholder as you're seeing me do here. PowerPoint will import it, sized and scaled to fit the marked area of the slide. That's all it takes. Your presentation now has a stunning modern title slide. You just saw how easy it is to make a great PowerPoint presentation title slide. With a few clicks, you can create amazing layouts that look great and grab audience attention. That's all thanks to the premium templates found at Envato Elements. For a flat monthly rate, you can try out as many of those as you want. Jump over to Envato Elements and join today. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. There, you'll find more tutorials like this, along with content roundups and so much more. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks so much for joining me.